Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to language learning. As you know, this is Sepedi Lessons channel. So today we're going to be looking at some of the opposite words in Sepedi language as requested by my subscriber. So without the waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first set of words we have good and bad. Good means lukile. Good means lukile. Bad means mbi. Bad means mbi. Good means lukile. Bad means mbi. The next set of words we have hot and cold. Hot means fisher. Hot means fisher. Cold means tonya. Cold means tonya. Fish. Hot means fisher and cold means tonya. The next one we have happy and sad. Happy means thabile. Happy means thabile. Sad means nyamile. Sad means nyamile. The next one we have tall and short. Tall means telele. Tall means telele. Short means kopana. Short means kopana. Next one we have fast and slow. Fast means kapela. Fast means kapela. Slow means nanya. Slow means nanya. The next one we have day and night. Day means mosegare. Day means mosegare. Night means boshigo. Night means boshigo. The next one we have give and take. Give means ifa. Give means ifa. Take means chia. Take means chia. The next one we have far and near. Far means hole. Far means hole. Near means gaufi. Near means gaufi. The next one we have start and finish. Start means thoma. Start means thoma. Finish means fetcha. Finish means fetcha. The next one have up and down. Up means godimo. Up means godimo. Down means fase. Down means fase. The next one have big and small. Big means holo. Big means holo. Small means nyane. Small means nyane. Small means nyane. The next one we have front and back. Front means kapele. Front means kapele. Back means kamorago. Back means kamorago. The next one we have inside and outside. Inside means ka gare. Inside means ka gare. Outside means ka ntle. Outside means ka ntle. The next one we have open and close. Open means vula. Open means vula. Close means tswalela. Close means tswalela. So that's it for our today's video. So I will be doing part 2 of the opposite words because I do not want to make the videos long that you will get bored. So I will be making the part 2 of the opposite words videos. So for now, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.